What's up, everyone? iHaadi here, and this is Parallels 20.3.1. Essentially, you can see we are currently in Parallels for new looking websites. Thanks to my dark mode, this is easier on my eyes and yours. We're just looking at it. Anyways, it's kind of a decoy for what we are really going to do here, which can't be said on YouTube. You guys know. Anyways, let's get started. Check the Telegram for this particular one. Yeah, the main files I used are right there. And do not update. Never update whenever you see that pop up. Yeah, so accept, put in your Touch ID, let it do its first installation, grants it notifications and all permissions to all the folders it requires. Also, click my subscribe button. Yep, make sure you click it. And it's starting up. Click other options if you have an ISO. If you don't, you can install it directly from Parallels with an internet connection, of course. We are using Windows 11 Pro. Yeah, productivity, leave that one in its default state. Yeah, you can select a location if you have a different location. And time to optimize in quotes. So completely close Parallels from the menu bar at this point. Now, let's head over to the folder you got from my Dropbox in Telegram and open your terminal. Yeah, so CD for change directory, leave a space, open the internal folder, that one, then drag and drop it in terminal after typing CD and space. Hit enter and we are into directory. Now paste that particular command and run it. All right, so of course we are doing Parallels Desktop, that's number one. And we're also doing 20.3.1, the latest one, also number one. Yeah, now let it do its magic. Practically, we are kind of done. Yeah, I didn't really talk much about the optimizing process to prevent Parallels from catching me because I shouldn't be doing something like that. Now, X everything and let's open it from the launchpad. Yeah, as you can see, it has been successfully optimized in quotes again. Yeah, let's resume what we were doing back then. And yeah, getting things ready, installing. By the way, if you guys encountered any problem optimizing, talk to me in the Telegram channel. Yeah, I'm always seldom active. Yeah, once in a while, but I'll be definitely replying every single question. As you can see, we are done. We are entering the main Windows system now. Yeah, I cut out many parts of this screen recording. It took ages to complete. Ages. And my Mac, even with its two fans, it was blowing like hell. Okay, not really. Just like 2300 RPM. But still. Yep. And we are technically almost there. And now we are in there. Yay. Windows 11 is installed. And everything is complete. Yeah, we can finally go into full screen mode as well. After accepting terms and conditions, of course, and closing Microsoft Edge. So everything looks pretty decent. If you want to activate it, the instructions are also somewhere in this Telegram channel. Everything is practically there. That place is a kind of fortress for black market activities. Let's just say. Anyways, yeah, the only tricky part in this video is actually that optimization process. So make sure you carefully watch everything. And if you did that and you're here, I guess I can say congratulations, we are back on track till this particular build begins to misbehave again, which I would have to update, maybe 20.4 or whatever. Yeah. So, that's technically it. System services, everything is all right. I'll see you guys in the next video anyways. Yeah, make sure you subscribe or else I'm going to slip a virus into my next tutorial and you'd have to subscribe to, get the ransomware out of your Mac. Just kidding.